In the previous video, we've completed task 2 from the tuition notes, which was posting cash receipts in the company's cash account. In this video, we'll be looking at task 3, which is recording cash payments into the company's cash account. After you've completed the transactions from the last video, you've closed your bank receipts window, and we are still in the bank accounts module. We have the cash account highlighted. We simply need to go to bank payments now to process the bank payments into the cash account. The bank payments menu looks exactly as the bank receipts menu. You still have your calculate net button. You have all the relevant columns such as banks, the date column, the reference, the nominal code column, the details column, net tax code, and tax as well. So looking at the tuition notes, let's start with task 3 and transaction 1, which is cleaners for you. We are paying from the from the cash account, so we need to make sure that the nominal code of the cash account is present in the bank column. The nominal code for the cash account is 1230. The date for this transaction is the 31st of May. And the reference is cash payments. The nominal code for this transaction is cleaning, because we're paying cleaners for you. So you need to use your common sense here and sort of figure out what the nominal code would be based on the name of the supplier. In the details, we'll put the name of the supplier, and in the amount, we'll put £150, no VAT. So we need to T9 this transaction and move on to the second one, which again is being paid from the cash account, and it happened on the 31st of May. The reference is yet again cash payments, and the nominal code for this transaction is going to be for office stationery because we're paying Staplers Ltd. So that's going to be 7504. The details is going to be the name of the company that we're paying, Staplers Ltd. And then in the net column, we'll have 144 excluding VAT, which just simply means that's a net figure. So we'll just leave it alone. 144 in there. Transaction 3, which is our last transaction, again, we are paying it from the cash account, so 1230 is the nominal code that we'll be using. The date is the same, 31st of May. The reference again, same, cash payment, and the nominal code is for motor vehicle expenses, which again is in the sevens. As you can see, that's 7304. In the details, we'll type in the name of the supplier's Blue Valley Garage. And in the net, we've got £1,571 including VAT, which means that this is a gross figure, and we need to use the calculate net button. Once we are happy with the transactions, we'll hit save, and we'll see that our company cash count has been reduced to £1,595. You can close the bank payment window as this is the end of this task. This was task 3. In the next video, we'll look at task 4, where we are going to process some transactions from the bank statement.